Hi, I'm Caleb Pont, Flight Performance Team Rider. I'm here to talk to you about the new Ultra L3. The Ultra L3, most refined expression of performance foiling, designed for riders chasing a more connected, surf-driven experience. It's our lightest board, narrower, more responsive. It's built to push what's possible on an eFoil. With the Ultra L3, the focus was simple. Not changing something that already works, but optimizing key elements to further enhance the board's performance. We've also moved the mast position forward. This brings lift closer to your natural stance, so the board feels more balanced underfoot, more reactive and easier control through pitch. The result is a lighter, more intuitive feel, especially when you're linking turns or riding unpowered. At the tail, we've introduced the integrated kicker, giving riders a more defined reference point for foot positioning, added comfort underfoot, and greater control when pushing performance on the water. The gap between surfing and eFoiling has never been so close. The Ultra L3 is designed for those chasing progression. A board that responds instantly and lets you move between powered and unpowered riding without interruption. This is the Ultra L3, a new way to find waves.
Hey guys, Nick here from eFoils, and I am very excited to present to you some new toys that we have for you. This is the Lift 5F. So you've seen our Lift 5, we brought that out this last year, a complete revolution in eFoil technology where we updated the complete architecture of our eFoils with our LCS systems throughout, that single latch on the battery, the single latch mechanism on the mast, the wings. We've applied that architecture to this new fiberglass construction, and I'm going to tell you what's great about these. Ultimately, these boards represent the best value that you can find in eFoils. The Lift 5F comes in our two most popular sizes, our 4.9 and our 5.4. This is essentially versatile for anybody of any size. If you're a bigger person, you're going to get on that 5.4, you're going to have a lot of stability, plenty of volume. If you want a little bit sportier setup, you want to get on that 4.9, our most popular size. This is not any ordinary fiberglass construction. This is a proprietary build that we do here in Puerto Rico with specialty materials. And what's awesome about this material is that it's very energy absorbent, very impact resistant. So these boards are built stout, they're tough, they're durable. If you want some more versatility, add the blowfish, put that on there. These boards are just packed with fun, and they can, again, work for anybody. If it's family, friends, or if you're an instructor and you're teaching people just on the water all the time, this is your workhorse that you need in your quiver. The stock configurations come with our aluminum propulsion. The aluminum propulsion's been refined. We set all the geometries for the proper rigidity and response. Redesigned aluminum mast. Very strong, again, very reliable. It comes with our 68mm motor, which is a direct drive, and it's connected to our Lift 5 electronics, which have the quiet ride technology. What does that mean? You get all the power of a Lift 5, you get all the longevity of a Lift 5, and you get that smooth, quiet ride that everybody loves. So what you get is the complete lift experience on the water. The wings are 100% carbon fiber. We've got our standard with this package, 200 Surf V2, an all-time classic. These wings are built to surf, give you that nice smooth feeling. They're very stable, they're very user-friendly. Also standard with it this year is the 2026 Lift hand controller. This is a brand new design. This hand controller has been refined and redesigned for ruggedness, reliability, haptic feedback, ergonomics. So you're just gonna love that feel of power at your fingertips and that response with the board. And we have them in two colorways. We've got our matcha green and our tide pool blue. These are vibrant colors, really beautiful on the water, perfect finishes that we do here in Puerto Rico in our home shop. So what you get is absolute quality, and I would say best value that you can find in any eFoil. What's cool about this system too is that once you're in that lift family, that lift ecosystem, everything is interchangeable. So it comes standard with that 2.2 kilowatt hour battery that gives you more ride time than you can handle. But you can also pull down weight if you want to use this year's new battery adapter. You can plug in the LiftX battery into that configuration. With the LCS mechanism on the mast, with one lever you can pull off that propulsion and you can change it with all of our carbon fiber propulsions, be it a Lift 5 or a LiftX. Everything's interchangeable, so you can build it up, you can build it down, you can ultimately make this product whatever you want it to be. And it really serves a great purpose for all your water sporting activities. But the standard stock configuration has been very well thought out, it's very well balanced, and you're gonna love what you get out of the box, and it's gonna do everything that you want it to do on the water. So we're excited about this because here at Lift, we pride ourselves on the ride quality, and we don't put out anything that we're not absolutely proud of. Can't think of enough good things to say about these boards. They're beautiful, they ride great, they work for everybody, and they do everything that you need them to do. So really excited to put that out there on the water this year. Really excited to see everybody out riding with me. See you out there.
Hello and welcome to the Seafly family. In this video, we're going to introduce you to the newest additions to the Seafly lineup, the Stellar R and Stellar S. These new boards proudly stand at the pinnacle of our collection, promising an unrivaled fusion of innovation, precision and sheer excitement. Let's dive into the extraordinary features that set the Stellar series apart. Building upon the legacy of the Seafly R and the Seafly S, the Stellar R and the Stellar S boards emerge as the zenith of hydrodynamic advancement. Once again, 120 liters and 98 liters respectively, but now with a lighter carbon construction, these boards redefine the very essence of performance. By shedding an impressive 3.5 kilos from their weight and tweaking the shape of the board slightly, we have achieved the perfect equilibrium between lightweight design and unparalleled performance. The results speak for themselves. The lower swing weight and improved rigidity of each board transform carving into an art form. Light, responsive and agile, the Stellar R and Stellar S provide the riders with unprecedented control and precision over their maneuvers. Furthermore, by improving the architecture and integrating the mast plate into the board, we have minimized resistance during touchdowns, which negates any nosedive tendencies and facilitates a seamless rebound. The Stellar series also comes with an improved design, blending form and function into an irresistible package. The Stellar R and Stellar S come in a range of new premium colors: deep blue, metallic red and pearl white. Combine these with a clear carbon underside and the Stellar series turns into a showcase of engineering, innovation and elegance. With these boards, you're not just riding, you're making a statement. The Stellar R and Stellar S boards represent a revolution in e-foiling, a harmonious fusion of cutting-edge engineering and aesthetic brilliance. With their new carbon construction, lower swing weight and stunning design, these boards transcend the ordinary and open doors to unparalleled adventures on the water. It's time to embrace a new standard of excellence and elevate your ride to the extraordinary.
Hi, this is Alex from Awake, and today I want to introduce you to the amazing Vinga Ultimate. The Vinga Ultimate sets the standard as the highest performing e-foil. This e-foil is not just about flying above water, it's about unleashing epic riding capabilities. The Vinga Ultimate delivers exceptional speed and power while it provides perfect stability and control. This board has razor sharp responsiveness, so it will adapt to every single move and carve you make. So my favorite part about this board is that it has 60 liters of volume, an 80 centimeter long mast, which will not allow you only to fly high above the water, but it will give you extreme control at high speed. On the Vinga Ultimate, we do have multiple options of wings that you can install on your mast to change your riding profile. We currently have installed our most aggressive wings, the Fluid 1000, that will help advanced riders to do sharp curves and turns. With our new LR4 batteries, the weight is shifted all the way to the back, which is over the mast. This will give you perfect control when you're e-foiling. Also, the new hand controller will connect seamlessly with a simple touch. If you're an advanced e-foiler and you want the best of the best, this is the board for you.